Alright, so now that we have everything assembled, I want to show how to animate a couple of things. And if you notice with this handle, it's not really constrained to anything right now, which means we can manipulate it around and see how everything would slide as is. But let's go ahead and use our directed angle constraint that we just learned about from the previous video. And if we go ahead and make a directed angle with the controller and with the side of the trammel and apply that, and then go into that, so let's see here, our controller's here, there's that angle. Because this is an angle, if we right click on it and make it into a driven constraint or drive it, then we can tell it to change the angle. So right now it starts at 0 degrees, and let's say we want to go a full 360. Alright, then we can say play, and it shows a very smooth transition of what that would look like for that to rotate on a full 360. Now if we click right next to cancel, we have more options. And let's say we wanted to go start, end, and we want it to repeat, say 5 times. Alright. If we wanted to speed it up or slow it down, this is how many degrees it would show in every step. So if we wanted to slow it down, we could say like 0.5 degrees per step and then hit play. So now it's going much slower. Or if we stop it, we can have it go 2 degrees each step and hit play. It'd be going much faster. And the cool thing about this is that you can look at it from different angles. You can kind of see what it's doing. You should be able to kind of imagine what this would look like and how this would actually make an oval if you had a pencil in there instead of just the handle. So the ones that I have gone back and redesigned, I actually made a slot for a pencil to go in here, or I just left the spot completely open. It made this whole thing into a slot instead of a single hole. So those pins that twist in half in the middle, you can actually attach them inside here and draw different size ovals if you wanted to. I did want to show how you can drive a constraint. It's worth knowing, so now you know how to do that. Also, you have the option, I didn't click it the first time, but you can record this as well. So if you want to drive a constraint, show what it looked like, and then record it to show later. If you don't have Inventor somewhere else, you can put onto a flash drive and just show a preview of what you've designed to other people, to your parents, whoever it may be. Okay, so now that we have all of that constrained, I think it's time to go ahead and start making a exploded view. We're going to do that in a separate video, that way it's all kind of broken up. The main feature of this was going to be the driven constraint, which now you know how to do, and we'll go on from there.